Hi, Buddy the Lab.
Hi, Joy.
What's going on?
Getting my pictures taken. That's a first for me. I've never had these fancy pictures before.
Well, yeah,
It's quite the relaxing experience, as you can tell.
I can.
I'm about to take a nap.
You were excellent.
Well, thank you.
You were also excellent when we took an inch off your fingernails.
And, you know, I really needed it. I got pictures and a manicure all in one day.
Well,
This is fun. I don't think I like that one very much. But
sure?
Thank you for offering. That's very kind.
Well, are you grossed out by it?
A little bit.
Let me take it away.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're a very kind lady, but just don't know what I like.
I'm learning. You're new.
Yeah.
No.
I know.
We have to get to know each other.
Okay. What's in there?
Your new home.
Oh, I need a new home, Joy.
I know, because some amazing person's going to come along and not care how old you are. And
Joy, I've got a lot of good years left.
I know you do.
And I'm a good boy.
You are.
People shouldn't look at me just because of my age.
No, because you look really young
and
for your
I'm so
age.
nice.
We got to go.
Okay, bye.
Bye.